I know everyone loves tofu ricotta. It's easy and high protein, but there are only so many times you can put it on a toast or stuff it in some shells. So here are two super quick and amazing ways to use that tofu ricotta. And by super quick, I mean 15 minutes. Both of these recipes use just a few ingredients, are short, quick, and amazingly easy. First, we're gonna make our tofu ricotta tacos. That's just some tortilla, my tofu spinach ricotta mixture, and a dipping sauce like marinara, and that's it. That's 3 main ingredients. The second one is 4 main ingredients. It's got gnocchi, some marinara sauce, my tofu spinach ricotta, and some garlic and sun-dried tomato to boost the flavor, and that's it. So let's make these 2 recipes. To make the tofu spinach ricotta, we add all of the ingredients for the ricotta mixture into a food processor except the spinach, and then process all of that until it is a coarse mixture. You don't want it to be a complete paste, but you also don't want any chunks of anything in there. Then fold in some spinach, and then our tofu spinach ricotta mixture is ready. Now we just scoop 2 to 3 tablespoons of that, spread it on our tortillas, fold the tortillas to seal, and either bake them or pan fry them. Once they're nice and crisp, add a little bit of pepper flakes or black pepper, some fresh herbs, and serve with some warm marinara. It's simple, quick, and amazing. If you're baking them, put them on a baking sheet and put another baking sheet on top, because the tortillas are going to puff up when they bake and they will open up a little bit. We want them to stay put in a sealed taco format, so we're going to put another baking sheet on top and bake them. You can also change up the flavors, add in some different herbs to the tofu mixture. You can add in some Cajun or some chili powder blend as well for different flavor variations. Add in some sun-dried tomato, some sauteed mushrooms. This is kind of like your base recipe that you can build over and make many variations of. To make the skillet gnocchi, first heat a skillet over medium heat. Add some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the gnocchi and cook until the gnocchi starts to turn golden on some of the edges, about 3 minutes or so. Then add in your garlic. Then add in the sun-dried tomato and mix that in for a few seconds as well to infuse the oil. Then you take spoonfuls of the tofu spinach ricotta mixture as well as the marinara, and then place these over the gnocchi in the skillet. Keep alternating so that there are scoops of the tofu ricotta mixture and the sauce evenly distributed. Add a little bit of water on the edges of the skillet, then cover the skillet, and then cook this mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. You want the mixture to start to come to a boil, and then reduce the heat a little bit and let it simmer for a bit so that everything heats through really well and the gnocchi is also cooked through. And then serve this amazing skillet gnocchi with some garlic bread with some sourdough, or as is. It's just fabulously delicious. You can also put this gnocchi under a broiler for a minute so that it gets brown and bubbly and delicious. It's super quick, easy, and fantastic. I usually pre-make the ricotta mixture and keep it in the fridge because making those tacos and the skillet gnocchi takes just minutes. If you try these recipes, do let me know in the comments how you like them. Also let me know how you use your tofu ricotta mixture. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun and creative vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.